Dear friends, I'm very happy to inform you that from the 25th to the 27th of February, I shall be conducting a workshop which will certify L&D professionals and also certify you as trainers. What makes this workshop important? Organizations invest hundreds of crores of rupees to build the competency skills of the people so that they can perform better. And yet it does not happen. The primary cause and reason, at least one of the reasons, is that the trainer is ill-equipped to conduct a training. The L&D professionals probably do not understand how to assess the training needs. Once you learn in this workshop how to assess the training needs, you also learn how to convert those training needs into learning objectives for a training curriculum. How to actually use the training objectives for creating the content and the instruction methodologies. For example, if it is listing 3 properties of a particular chemical in a lecture, or a lesson would be enough for you to do that. But if it is demonstrate how to extinguish a fire, even if it's technical, they would need a simulation exercise. So the instruction methodology has to be designed as per the learning objectives and must go well with the content. Thereafter, you must also design certain assessments. So the magic triangle of learning, which is about what are the learning needs through learning objectives, we write them down, create the instruction methodology and the content that synchronizes with it, and create assessments which test what you have promised that they will be able to do at the end of the workshop. That is something that you learn in this workshop very well, including calculating the return on investment for a training expenditure or an investment. So I look forward to each one of you joining us, whether it is an individual trainer, whether you're a behavioral trainer, whether you're a technical trainer, whether you're an internal trainer, freelance trainer, doesn't matter. Whether you're an L&D professional, doesn't matter. In fact, they all matter. All of you should attend this workshop. So look forward to your joining this workshop. You can write to me on the email given in the comments box of this video. Thank you.